if I die while performing bungee, they're not responsible. It's about 8:30 in the next morning. So this is the day 4 and now we're heading out to Rishikesh. So we're done with Oli. You could see that white color thingy. That's the ice residue. It's not snow yet. The temperature actually drops down to 0 or even -1 degrees during the night. So it was pretty cold. We just checked out, settled the bill, and now we're off to the chair car, which is supposed to be over there. So that's how, I don't know if it's called the chair car or the rope car. We have to get down in one of those.
रोड कार से नीचे जोशी में जाना।
वो अपना आप बैठाएगा आएगा, ठीक है?
वो टिकट जो हमने खरीदा ना वो चलेगा ना?
चलेगा उसी का दर रुकेगा।
हाँ।
And we have arrived at the chair car station. Looks exciting, but the thing is I don't know how we would travel down with our backpacks on.
वो टिकट जो हमने खरीदा ना वो चलेगा ना?
चलेगा
Quick update, the guy tried to scam us even more. We are supposed to get off at Joshimath where our driver is waiting for us, but the chair car would take us only up to Auli or something, I'm not really sure. So we would still have to go from this end point to our driver. Have to go. Fortunately, the rope car mid station, I think, it was very close by to the chair car station. This is the rope car station. Thank God they have a lift. I don't think I can climb 10 stories worth of height. I just checked the weather now. It says 3 degrees, but it said sunny. How can it be 3 degrees and sunny? So if there was snowfall, this would have been the ski park. You know, this would have been the ice skating park at all. Hi again. Joshimath Auli ropeway is actually the longest and the highest ropeway in India and the second longest in Asia. It covers an exact distance of 4.15 kilometers in 25 minutes. Okay. Bye. Nice meeting you. Thank you. You too. Such nice people. Those people are actually from Chennai. Uncle. Hello, uncle. Good morning, uncle. We just made it back to Joshimath and back to our car so that we can get going. And all these folks are excited to get to Rishikesh and do bungee jumping. And I'm just gonna stand next to them, watch them bungee jump.
And hope for the best.
We're starting to Rishikesh now. It's about 6 to 7 hours journey. With a break, it will be about 8 hours journey. Yes, please, good day. Rishikesh, here we come. Boom.
There at 9 a.m. if possible, and I'm asking you a combo which includes 1 bungee jumping and 1 flying fox at 9:30 a.m. Okay.
So it's about 8 p.m. now. We reached Rishikesh. We're staying at Zostel and the place is beautiful. The people are so nice, and we've come out for dinner now. It's this place called Bistro Cafe. And the family settled in. Nice place. So the food there was really amazing, but it was a cafe. We all wanted to get some good dhaba food, so we thought why not? And to make things a little bit more fun, we would ask people for directions and let's see where this route takes us. That's what we decided. Point to be noted here is no maps are to be used, no Google Maps, nothing. That was the plan, and we've been roaming around ever since, and we don't know where we are right now. It's been 25 minutes since we began our quest to find a dhaba or Indian restaurant, and we have come to this place. So we just finished our dinner, heading back to the hotel now. So the place we're staying at is called Zostel. The first time I was at Zostel was a few days back at Delhi, and now it's at Zostel Rishikesh. First impression so far, is excellent. I am really liking this place. Really nice people. You get to socialize. You get to, meet lots of new people. Have fun. So apparently there's this a lounge space, or there's something up there. We're gonna go check it out. Oh wow.
Come on, come on.
From the defense. Right from the defense. And seems to be with style.
Somberi sisters are like Hare Krishna 3-0. Fantastic knock. Terrific innings.
3-1.
I won all 3 games.
செருப்பாலடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேம் என்னாச்சு?
I won.
We won.
Oh, okay.
3-0 streak. Unbeatable streak.
1 hour later.
We stay in Delhi. We study in team. He's in DU. I'm in Mumbai. He's in Jodhpur. He's doing BBA. I'm doing Eco. He's doing law.
Right. I'm in my final year of engineering.
The
We're all
fourth.
students. We're all students.
Missing fourth one.
Yeah. I study in Tamil Nadu.
You from South?
Yeah, man.
Dude, you don't.
I know. Mac and Ajay are already here, so. I just spoke to those guys from the lift again. Such nice people, man. I'm really starting to like Zostel now. And that's it for the day. And tomorrow is the big day where we get to do rafting and hopefully paragliding. Let's see if time permits. I was supposed to do bungee jumping as well, but I kind of like RSVP'd in the last moment. And these things, they get booked like a month back. And all my cousins, they booked it a month back as well. So they're all doing it. I'm just going along with them for, I believe it's called the Flying Fox. Yeah, we'll see. Tomorrow's a big day. Done for the day. Good night. It's very breezy out here. Cute doggy. Hi. It's about 6:50 in the morning. Plans for the day are 2 things: bungee jump and river rafting. Well, I won't be able to do bungee jumping. These tickets for bungee jumping, they go in very high demand. All the slots will be filled like weeks ahead.
Permissible age and weight limits for the activities. No personal shooting or filming equipments are permitted at the activity zones. Bungee jump and giant swing are performed from the same platform, and this is Flying Fox. The activity and harness.
And bungee works this way. You're gonna go all the way to the edge and making a dive, like a dive in a swimming pool, going head first, trying to push yourself out as well.
We only allow 2 jump attempts, and no one is going to push you off the platform.
I can't stop smiling because this feels like the best day of my life. Miracles do happen. The thing was, I didn't have a bungee ticket because by the time I RSVP'd that I could come to the trip, all the tickets were sold out. All my cousins, they booked their bungee tickets like weeks ahead, like 2-3 weeks prior in time. So I was obviously very bummed out. The whole point of coming to Rishikesh all the way here, I would say all this time and money, was for this bungee jump. I got a freaking ticket in the last second, so definitely pumped up. More than pumped up, I'm excited. Miracles happen. Believe in miracles. That form I just signed is basically an agreement. Let's say, assuming the worst case scenario, if I die while performing bungee, they're not responsible. Tamil solra. நான் செத்தா நீங்கள் பொறுப்பு கிடையாது அப்படின்னு கையெழுத்து போட்டால் தான் நம்மளை உள்ளே விடுவான். The safety protocols and all were pretty good. They constantly check all the equipment. They make sure to do trial runs before letting people do bungee. But there's always a but. குதிக்கிற பீதியில் அப்படின்னு மூச்சிலுத்து ஹார்ட் அட்டாக்ல செத்தால அவங்க பொறுப்பு கிடையாது. Another important point to be noted here is they will not push you. You have to jump yourself because pushing will become kolamuyarchi. So you reach the jump site, your safety check is done, and you're ready to jump now. They will take you over to the ledge. It's actually very scary when you're at the ledge, you know. The jumping height is about 83 meters, I guess. 83 meters is like what? Approximately less than 300 feet. 300 feet is a lot. You'll actually, when you're in the ledge, you'll know that you'll feel like something's off. All the wind gushing on top of your head and all. They'll give you 2 attempts. Attempts meaning the jump master will count down 3, 2, 1 and go for it. If you go for it, good. But if you don't, he'll bring you 2 steps back. He'll be like, bro, don't worry bro, you got this. You know, he'll be that motivational bro that you needed all your life. Take you into life talks, and then 10 seconds later he'll take you to the ledge again, and that is attempt number 2, and you have to jump now. And if you don't jump even then, and if you're still scared, then he'll be like, okay bro, you need to leave, bye, you're wasting time. Another important point to be noted here is if you don't jump, they will give you your money back. It's an easy refund. Strictly no refund. அதுக்கும் கையெழுத்து வாங்கிட்டாங்க. 1 minute before my jump, the jump master gave me 2 instructions. Number 1 being, don't look down.
Like, yeah, I'm gonna look down.
That is obvious. So once you look down, you wouldn't want to jump, you know. Your brain will tell you not to. Any person with a sane mind wouldn't want to jump. So basically you have to act stupid at that point. And number 2, he asked me if I knew swimming. I proudly said no. He told me to simply fall down. Not jump down or anything. Simply have to like fall. Like literally fall down, like as if I'm falling down to my death. And that's what I did.
3, 2, 1, go for it.
Okay, get down!